Hello students, welcome in Rishikul Vidyapit online classes. I will teach you 12th accountancy. My name is ONKAR and today topic is General and Special Fund. It is covered by module 3. So I will explain first what is general funds and what is special fund. The general fund, you can say in NPO or not for profit organization, there is no capital account. They just don't maintain the capital account and they have the general account, that is the capital fund. So general fund you can say it is a capital fund. It is another name, capital funds. In NPO, not for profit organization, we prepare the balance sheet and take the difference from asset and liabilities. Assets and liabilities. Assets is more than the liabilities. The difference is known as a capital fund. And in opening balance, we take like a capital fund and we add any surplus or deficit which we prepare with the help of income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account, and we calculate surplus and deficit. If credit is more than debit, that called surplus. If debit is more than credit, that called deficit. If surplus is there, it will be added in capital fund in the balance sheet, current year balance sheet. If deficit is there, it will be deducted from the capital fund, that called general fund. So in NPO, we just maintain the capital fund like this, and we prepare the balance sheet, opening balance sheet, and find out the capital fund. After that, we adjust in the closing balance sheet, and that is called general funds. Now we take the special fund. What do you mean by special fund? Special funds. These funds are created for a specific purpose, like match fund, prize fund, or sports fund. So in these type of fund, they are specific purpose, sports fund. And here, if we receive the money regarding this fund, we maintain it, and if we have some expenditure regarding these events, we deduct from these fund, and we can you can say maintain these funds separately in balance sheet generally. So I will take the example of specific fund, how we show the specific fund in NPO. In balance sheet, that is the balance sheet. Balance sheet as at date, that is 31st March 2019. Liability amount, asset amount in rupees. So how we show the special fund in the balance sheet? Here we write here that is like match fund, and match fund, for example, match fund is 20,000. and if any expense, match expense, like match expense, that is 5,000, we deduct here, and this is the 15,000 amount. It is a special fund and specific purpose fund, and it will be shown in the liability side and maintain the positive balance in liability side. But sometime the expense is more than the fund, what we do? For example, if expense is 25,000, in that case what we do? Here the balance become negative, but negative balance can't shown in the balance sheet. So in that case, here we deduct only 20,000. If expense is more the fund than 20,000, here we put the dash, and 5,000 excess amount will be shown in the income and expenditure account, like income and expenditure account, that is debit side here to expense over fund, 5,000. Again, match fund 20,000, match expense 5,000, but we have only balance only 20,000, and 5,000 will be transferred from here to here in expense over fund. If here negative balance, we can show here. If it is a positive balance, then we can say show here. So this is the specific fund. I take one example, and then I will tell you how the special fund maintain in a other information. Now I take some information regarding fund. First, how will show these items? Sports fund on 1st April 2019, that is rupees 5 lakh. 10% sports fund investment, rupees on 1st April 2018, rupees 5 lakh. Right? Third one is donation for sports fund. Donation for sports fund. We received a donation from sports fund rupees, that is 1,20,000. Sports fund awarded rupees 1 lakh. Right? Next one is expense on event. Expense on sport event, that is rupees 15,000. So these are some information, and how we show these information in balance sheet. The question is this. Now we prepare the balance sheet here. Balance sheet as at 31st March 2019. So this is the balance sheet, and one by one we can show these items in balance sheet. Balance sheet has two sided. One is liabilities, amount in rupees, assets, amount in rupees. So how we show these items in the balance sheet of NPO, not for profit organization. So first, sports fund on 1st April 2019, that is sports fund, that is 5 lakh, right? If it is a special fund and we record the special fund, we all income related to sports fund or receipt related to fund we add here, and all expense related to this fund we deduct from here. So first of all, sports fund, then here 10% sports fund investment, 10% sports fund investment, that is 5 lakh. What we receive as a fund, we invest outside from the you can say NPO, and we receive 10% interest on this item. The 10%, 5 lakh, 10% amount is 5 lakh, 10%, that is 50,000. This is the interest received on this investment. But here we receive the interest. Here we receive the interest. Interest received. One information is missing. Interest received on sports fund investment, that is given rupees 37,500. This is missing. Now here we add interest received on sports fund investment, that is 37,500, but it may be 50,000, but we receive only 37,500. One interest is here accrued interest. If we less the interest received during the year 37,500, that is 12,500, that is the interest accrued. Interest accrued. Here add interest accrued, that is 12,500, and it is adjustment, and it will be shown in the asset side also. Here accrued interest, that is 12,500. The accrued interest will be recorded two double entry here in liability side, here in asset side, because the interest earned but not received, that is interest accrued. Now we take the next item, donation for sports fund. Add it, increase the fund. Special fund will be increased when we receive the donation. Anybody can give the donation for a specific purpose fund, that is special fund. And here donation received, that is donation received 1,20,000. 1,20,000. The total is 6,70,000. Now next one is sports fund awarded. This is the expense, and it reduce our specific purpose fund because we spend some money on sports fund awarded. Sports fund awarded some awards are there, then it will be deducted. Sports awarded, awarded given or prize is given. You can say sports fund used in awarded, or you can say prize awarded, and it is rupees 1 lakh, right? And we can deduct 1 lakh from here. Next one is expense on sports event. It is also deducted from here. Less expense on expense on sports event, that is 15,000. So we deduct from here, that is 5,55,000 net amount. So we can show these items for a special fund in the balance sheet like this. I repeat it again: sports fund 5 lakh, then add interest received on sports fund investment. It is given in the question 37,500, but it should be 50,000. How much is left? 12,500, and it is the adjustment. 12,500 again we add here, and then donation received 1,20,000, and it total becomes 6,70,000 total amount regarding special fund. But here we have two type of expenditure: sports prizes awarded 1 lakh, sports prizes awarded 1 lakh, and expense and sports event 15,000. It is also deducted from here. That becomes 5,55,000, and it is special purpose fund or specific fund. Next one, here sports fund investment 5 lakh and accrued interest 12,500. It will be shown in the asset side. So this is the specific purpose fund, and we discuss general fund also. Now I take another example also. In special purpose fund, match expense, that is 8 lakh. Match fund (4 lakh). Donation for match fund, that is rupees 2,40,000. Sale of match ticket, that is 3,60,000. First question is this. So how we show these items in balance sheet? We prepare again balance sheet as at. This is the format of the balance sheet. Two side, liability side amount in rupees, asset amount in rupees. Now one by one. Match expense, match fund. First match fund. Specific purpose fund. Match fund. Match fund rupees, that is 4 lakh. 4 lakh. Match fund. Now next item, any income related to this fund, donation for match fund, add, it will be added. Add donation for match fund, that is 2,40,000, right? Next is sale of match ticket, it increase this fund. Sale of match ticket 3,60,000. Total revenue we receive regarding this, that is total. Now match expense, that is 8 lakh, it will be deducted. First we add it, that is 10 lakh. Now match expense less match expense, that is 8 lakh, right? Now we deduct 8 lakh from 10 lakh, that is 2 lakh. It is positive balance. Okay, so we can show these items in the balance sheet, and it is specific fund, or you can say specific purpose fund. If we want to change some item here, for example, if match expense increase by 2,50,000 and it become 10,50,000, in that case, what is the effect of this question? Match fund, it is same 4 lakh. Donation for match fund, it is given 2,40,000. Sale of match ticket 3,60,000, it is also same. Total revenue we received, and it becomes 10 lakh. But if match expense, these expenses goes up to 2,50,000 and it becomes 10,50,000, in that case we deduct the match expense here only 10 lakh, because we have the insufficient balance, and here we put the dash, and 50,000 will be shown in the income and expenditure account. In debit side, you are told earlier, that is income and expenditure account, and here expenditure, here income amount in rupees, and here expense over fund, that is 50,000 shown here. So this is the specific purpose fund, and I think you understand it and you like it. Thank you.